I hope that we can institutionalize this, bring Conservation Corps members every summer, not only to improve the park for residents and visitors, but also learn about this incredible history.
Having to hear the history and everything, and then knowing just how much meaning and history these buildings have, it's kind of a big deal to preserve all these things.
And what's like a typical job? What are you actually doing?
We'll get like pieces like this that's like chipping off and like paint like that. And then we'll just like scrape this part off so it'll like the new paint will like go on smooth.
We are at Colonel Allensworth State Historic Park in Tulare County, the site of a remarkable California story. The only community in California that was founded, built, governed, and populated entirely by African Americans at the turn of the 20th century. Colonel Allensworth, a Civil War veteran, actually the highest ranking African American officer when he retired, came to California to find safety, community, prosperity for African Americans, founded this community, and now today we're making good on the commitment, on the promise that this park represents, to tell that story. I'm glad to be here to help celebrate long overdue investment in this park, which includes a remarkable contribution from our California Conservation Corps, where Corps members from throughout the state are spending 10 weeks refurbishing these historic structures like the schoolhouse behind me and so many others, helping actually bring this state park to life, and not only improving the park, but learning this history. And they're gonna take that lesson, they're gonna take that new story back into their own lives.
And even if it's little things that's like repainting and redecking, it's great. It's an honor.
I never really been in like somewhere like this. That's like from like 10s, maybe like 1800s.
It's something I'm gonna remember for the rest of my life. I hope everyone else sees it the same way, because it's amazing, to be honest.